Hi everybody, I'm back here. I am so excited because I have a new video for you guys. I know it's been a while and I've been ghost for quite some time, but hopefully I can be a little bit more consistent now. So with that being said, I want to kind of introduce to you guys the new Jeffree Star collection. It just launched yesterday, so you know, I took my happy butt straight down to the Morphe store with my friend. Shout out to him and another friend. They are amazing. I'm so blessed to have them. Actually, 3 really good friends. They made it possible for me to get the palette and a few things. I didn't get the whole collection just because, you know, money's a little tight right now, but you know, I got what I could. So here I'm going to introduce you to the Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So this is the packaging. I mean, you guys, stunning. The outside packaging, of course, but let me just show you the real deal. So wow, you guys, look at this. I mean, I don't know what to say about it. It's absolutely stunning. I'm completely obsessed with it. Like, here's the back, and like the feel of it is just amazing. I cannot get over it. And it just has this cute little thing right here. Attention to detail, of course. And when you open her, I mean, look you guys, she is just so stunning. The colors are just wow. I know it's more on the pastel side, but I really love this palette. The packaging, the color choices, everything. Good job, Jeffree. Look at you guys. And the next thing that I did get was one of the glosses. Which one is this one? Sorority, I think that's how you say it. The packaging is just so stunning. And I'll give you like a little swatch, just so you have an idea of what it looks like. I love the packaging, but this is the, just what it looks like. It's so pretty. I feel like I have the highlight right here. That's how stunning it is. And the last thing that I did get from him is his mirror. I had to, you guys, like the color and everything. And then like the shape is just so stunning. Woo. All right, let's get to a tutorial using this palette. I'm so excited. So the first shade I'm going to be going into is this purple right here. Super pretty. And her name is Blood Queen. I'm going to go ahead with a brush like this. I'm going to place this right on the outer right here. Packing on the color first. The next shade I'm going to go in with is this pinky shade to kind of blend out the outer edges. Her name is Royal Pain. I'm just going to do the outer edges just a little bit to blur that out. I'm going to go back in with that Blood Queen. I'm going to go in with this one. She looks so pretty. Executioner. I don't know how to say it, sorry. It looks pretty though. I'm gonna pop her right here. It's just to add a little bit more depth. Kind of like a smokiness into the crease. I'm just patting it on first and then worry about blending it a little bit later. Just placing the color where you want it. This is so pretty. I love this color. Okay, so the next shades that I'm going to be going in with is this pretty shade right here and then the one above it. So I'm going to be using these 2 shades next. Pink Magic and Wet Jewel. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with whatever brush I have. I'm going to go in first with Pink Magic. Pick some of that color up. And I'm just going to place it like right here. Oh wow. Wow. This is pretty sickening. This This is so stunning, you guys. Like, I can't. The pigment on this is on a whole new level. I'm just kind of blend her a little out so it kind of like blends in together. And I'm going to kind of keep going a little bit higher. And now we're going to pop on the next shade, which is Wet Jewel. So excited about this one. You guys ready for this? Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Wow. This is beautiful. This is so, so stunning. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Super beautiful. I went ahead and put on some liner and mascara. For the liner, I did use the Anastasia liquid liner, and for mascara, I did use the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. Love this stuff. It's my favorite mascara. Definitely. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on my face. I'm gonna prime it, put some foundation on. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying my foundation. For a primer, I did use Laura Mercier. This one is the Pure Canvas Primer Blurring, one of their newer primers. And then for foundation, I'm gonna be using my Frankie Rose foundation, and I'm in the shade Olive. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that real quick. For concealer, I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star concealer. I am in the shade C9. Love this stuff. Obviously the container is to die for, but the product is also amazing. I'm going to go ahead and pick up my new, what is it called? Mirror. So let's go ahead and apply this concealer. I love this. I just really love the formula, the coverage and everything, and it's like super lightweight. So I apply it underneath my eyes. As far as setting my face, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star setting powder. And this little guy, I love the way it smells, and this stuff is amazing. I'm in the shade Beige. I like this one and the translucent one. I like to kind of like mix them together, apply them underneath my eyes. But before I do, I like to kind of like make sure there is no creasing underneath my eye before I set it. And then I like to kind of like put the powder down. Next, I like to contour with some sticks. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation sticks to contour. It looks like this. I love these to contour. Yikes, I don't know how to say this. Please forgive me if I say this wrong. Adidas Baba, maybe. Oh my god, I probably butchered that so bad, but okay, I totally meant to say it correctly, but that didn't work out. I'm gonna have to ask how to say it correctly. Okay, so I am back. I went ahead and put some bronzer and some blush. I'm going to finish underneath the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up the palette again. So the same colors that I used pretty much up here is what I'm going to use on the underneath the eyes. So I'm going to go in with this one, this purple right here, the dark shade, and probably a mixture of these two to finish off the bottom. So I'm going to go in with a Blood Queen first. And then I decided to go ahead and put the darkest shade. I would say the name of the shade, but I can't say it right. Okay, so as far as for highlight, I'm gonna use a shade from the palette. I'm gonna use this one right here. It's Wet Jewel. That's what I think I'm gonna use for highlight with this brush. And let's hope that it looks really, really pretty. Y'all ready? I'm gonna put a little bit first because I'm scared. A little bit, and then we'll build it up if I like it. Oh wow, that's stunning. Yup, love it. Oh my god, I barely even touched it, and look at that pigment. Ooh. Hi, how are you? Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so pretty. And I literally just went like this, tap tap on the eyeshadow, and wow, it's super pigmented. So pretty. That's what I needed. Love it. So I just went ahead and grabbed some more. That way we're like living for this shade. I'm gonna put a little bit at the tip of my nose, down my bridge, the nose, just a little bit. That way we're not like blinding y'all. Put a little bit above the lip. You guys, this is so beautiful. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a lip liner. This one's from Morphe, and I believe it's called Crush. Yes. So we're gonna go with Crush. Okay, so I just kind of went ahead and outlined it and filled it in a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with the gloss from the new collection. It has like a little purple. Ready? Wow.
This is so stunning. Wow.
This is just stunning. Like, I absolutely love this lip. It completed the look. Wow. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will be doing more looks with this palette and many more tutorials on everything else. So thank you so much for watching. This is what I came up with. Kind of like a smoky, shiny, glittery, I don't know. I love it though. What do you guys think? Would you like to see more tutorials like this? Definitely comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that little notification so you do not miss any of my videos, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye!